Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about something very important, a way to improve the collagen levels in your skin. That's right, pushing out fine lines and wrinkles, getting that elasticity back. But we're not going to do it through skincare. We're going to talk about food that you have to buy anyway and what you could be doing in your diet that can make a big difference in how much collagen your body's producing and how much of it you hang on to. So get ready to learn the 8 collagen building foods that you should be including in your diet. All right, so let's have some fun with this. This is my favorite time of year. We're filming this in October, the season of harvest, which is the perfect time to talk about these foods and what they can be doing to help build collagen in your skin. All right, so clearly, there's something in this bag I want to share with you. Now I'm going to try to keep today's video moving along. There's 8 categories of these foods. I'm limiting myself to a minute, but don't worry. If you need to skip around or come back, I will put chapters in this video. You can do that. But quickly, before we jump into that, if you happen to be new to my channel and not familiar with who I am, I'm Chris Gibson, a skincare expert. I've been in skincare helping people for over 38 years. Yeah, I'm a little bit older than you might think. And my job and the job of the channel is to help you have the healthiest, best looking skin ever, no matter what your age is. All right, so let's jump in. Clearly, there are collagen supplements that you can take. And collagen supplements have been proven scientifically in human studies to help you produce more collagen. One of my favorite brands is the gummy version of Vital Proteins. That's 19 amino acids that your body actually needs to build and hold on to collagen. Also, those same amino acids, the building blocks of collagen, help to strengthen the elastin fibers in your skin. So very important that you get it either through a supplement or the foods that we're going to talk about here that are going to come out of this bag. But there is a secret to getting collagen supplementation to work well, and that is you have to add vitamin C. So you have to take vitamin C along with collagen peptide supplements in order for your body to be able to utilize them properly and most effectively. But as I said, this video is going to concentrate on foods that actually help do the same thing. And I want you guys to interact with me a little bit today and let me know in the comments which of these are your favorites, which of them surprised you, and which of them you're going to include in your diet moving forward. The first food group on the list that is very helpful for collagen building in the body, and especially for your skin, are citrus fruits. Yes, citrus fruits. Fruits like oranges, grapefruits, and lemons, all very good at providing that dose of vitamin C that you need naturally through your diet to maintain your overall health, but to help build that collagen and keep those elastin fibers strong. Vitamin C, super antioxidant, helping you look beautiful from the inside out. Next up on the list, berries. Berries, which are actually some of my favorite things, like strawberries and blueberries, very high in vitamin C as well, packed with antioxidants that help preserve the collagen you already do have, helping to block free radical damage and stop the oxidation of your very skin cells. Number 3, and next up on the list, tomatoes. Also a good source of vitamin C and antioxidants, but more importantly, the nutrients you find in tomatoes also give your skin its own sun protection, helping to protect your skin cells from skin cancer. Obviously, adding tomatoes to your leafy green salads, and we talk about that here on the channel all the time, all have the mineral components that your body needs, both for bone health and for skin health. Any guesses as to what I'm going to pull out of the bag next? Bell peppers. Yes, bell peppers, especially the yellow and red versions. Again, rich in vitamin C and antioxidants and other nutrients that your body and your skin needs to regenerate, and has specific nutrients that your body and skin needs for things like wound healing. And then we have eggs. Eggs, a great source of protein. They contain proline, which is an amino acid that is crucial in the building of new collagen. So no matter how you like your eggs, whether they're boiled, over easy, or scrambled, adding those to your diet can actually play an important part of your anti-aging strategy. Next up on the list is one of my favorite ways to get the amino acids that my body needs for collagen, and that is bone broth. Now, if you don't know anything about bone broth, it is made from the bones of animals, thereby making it very rich in calcium and other minerals and nutrients and those 19 amino acids that you actually need. So a cup of bone broth or 2 per day can go a long way to help support the needs that your body has in producing new collagen. Kettle and Fire, one of my favorite brands, also Dr. Kellyanne, has the powdered hydrolyzed bone broth that you mix in water. It's also a really great brand. And of course, I will include resources for all of these down in the video description box, just like I do in every video. Now, all this deliciousness so far is not enough to convince you to add certain things to your diet to help improve your skin's health, your collagen levels, and prevent the signs of aging. I don't know what is, but I have one more thing to share with you that is really my favorite, and that is chocolate, more specifically cacao. When it comes to the most power-packed thing you can add to your diet, providing a high dose of antioxidants to protect collagen, providing a high-powered dose of antioxidants to protect your existing collagen, enzymes to stimulate fibroblasts to produce more collagen, and inhibiting enzymes that also help prevent the breakdown of collagen. And the way it does this is through its plant flavonols. Flavonols boost your skin's hydration, resilience, and studies have shown its ability to decrease the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Cacao has actually been shown to inhibit MMP1 or metalloproteinase. That is the actual enzyme that is linked to the breakdown of collagen and the formation of wrinkles in the skin. And if that wasn't enough, like tomatoes, with its polyphenols, can actually boost your skin's own ability to protect itself from the damaging rays of the sun. So please take a minute and tell me in the comments below which of these you already eat or have in your diet, which surprised you, and which ones you're going to add, because I really love to know. I hope you found this video on 8 foods that can help you build back your collagen in your skin and body helpful. If you did, please like it, share it out. Let me know in the comments below. And for even more ways to roll back the clock on skin and body aging, be sure to check out this video that I picked out for you next. Thank you guys for always being here, watching, supporting my work. I really do appreciate you. It absolutely gets noticed. That said, stay beautiful, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you over on that next video. There's a lemon in here somewhere. Where'd my lemon go? There it is. This lemon has been running for me all day.